What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we've been making such huge progress onto the G35. As you can see off camera, I went ahead and actually did a ton of body work. Now we still need a lot. This is not bolted in. Nothing's really bolted in at all. But we have been doing a lot of work. We recreated this whole line right here. So now the body line flows right into it. All of that has been sealed and fixed and everything. So today, one thing I want to do is get started on this one. As you can see, I used some foam to recreate. I cut a lot of that. We can rip all of this out now. But this stuff works really good. This is just floral foam. And if you need to create something, basically you can. So what I did was I used that, stuffed it in there, and then taped over it, created a mold, which we have here, which will be going on a little bit later. But I want to get all of this. We're gonna have to separate these again so I can grind this down to metal so we can get that welded, so on and so forth. And then coming over here, one other thing I did, if you guys have not seen that previous video, we installed some hood shocks. Ooh, that stuff is messy. But yeah, we got some hood shocks installed. So now it stays up all by itself. I'm so happy about that. So we no longer have to use my jack stand post. I think we might have been able to make it go up a little bit more, but that's fine. If we ever have to really do some in-depth engine work, we can just unbolt and then just remove the hood or something. But if you guys are not already, make sure to smash that subscribe button. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers, guys. I'm so excited. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you guys think of everything so far. And with that being said, let's get into it. have such a huge mess. We got to get all of this cleaned up. We just have stuff everywhere. Look at this floor. Super dirty. We're gonna get all of this cleaned up, but check that out. Man, is she dirty. I don't know if we're gonna wash it, to be honest, guys, just because, like I said, we still have work to do on the fenders and the hood, and we still have trimming and everything to do. We still have quite a bit of work to do, so I don't know if there's even a point in washing down. Maybe we will, I don't know, but let's just take a second, check that out. Quick little side shot. Man, those fenders though. See, now that the fenders are actually like all one piece, it really makes a huge difference on the car, especially with the fitment of the bumper and everything. It's super droopy right now. The headlights do help support it, but also that piece we have up there, which goes across, that's also gonna help bring the bumper up. But man, does that look so good. Jeez, look at that. Let's just take a quick little look on this side. I'm gonna order a new fender clip on this side, because this side actually is broken, so I am gonna order a new one. It doesn't clip in at all right there, so that really sucks, but what can you do? Here's this side. It's looking so spicy. So we do have to get a what do you want to call it, a spacer. Right now we have no spacer on. I could fit my hand in there. It's about, I don't know, like, let's see if you can see that right there. So we'll probably get, I don't know yet, maybe an inch spacer, just make it super good, and we'll probably add a little bit of camber as well up front. I don't know yet, but nonetheless it is still tucking. But damn, dude, soon we're gonna be ripping those rears off. In this video, I think, just because I want to do it, we're gonna get these all trimmed. They've just been sitting. So for those of you guys that don't know, these are a mold of the rear OEM. So this would be the driver's side. It sits high, so the bumper, and then it goes low. And then this would be the passenger side, where you can see right here, you do have the cutout for the gas cap. Damn, does that look good. Just look at it from the front. Oh, so good. So happy. I really do want to take it for a quick whip, but I think we're gonna wait just a little bit more, at least until everything is a little bit more buttoned up, I guess, but at least it's together, looking really, really good. I'm so happy. Comment below, let me know what you guys think, but I really need to get this garage cleaned because it is so dirty, just piled of stuff, boxes and everything. So I'm gonna set you guys on a time lapse. Let's get this all cleaned up.